What's going on, guys? Welcome to the video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create an Instagram account. So you want to go on Google and type in Instagram. Then you want to click on the first thing that pops up. So you can log in with your Facebook if you have that. It's easier. Or you can create an account. So we're going to click here on sign up. So they're going to ask you for your mobile number or email. I'm going to put in a random email. Then you're going to put in your full name. Then your username. Then your password. Click on next. Add your birthday. And we're going to click on next. So here's what's going to happen. Because I put in a random email, I'm not going to get the confirmation code. But if you put in your email, you're going to go on your email and they're going to give you a confirmation code, which you're going to put in here. And then you're going to click on next. Of course, mine doesn't work, but yours will, because it'll be the right thing. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hope I helped you, and I'll see you in the next one.